iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Ashley Dupree on God mode. Excellent performance. Stellenbosch defeating Sundowns in the DStv Premiership on a Saturday where we saw all teams playing at the same time at 3 p.m. Tso Vilakazi, our analyst, you are very disappointed, you are angry, but Stellenbosch came, saw, and they conquered, and that was the most important thing for them.
Mr. Gyokunjani mfowethu.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa wena ngibulisa Justice, ngibulisa Selimathunzi, ngibulisa Machaka, ngibulisa Junior, ngibulisa Drake, ngibulisa namakhaya. Cela support njalo iDiskiTV. Ngizobeka nje benjalo ngijike futhi. Kuleko nanga half time ngishilo ngathi I'm not surprised. Because Stellenbosch always give Sundowns a problem. And Sundowns when mabadlala now they have to work if bafuna ilontwana iwin. And it seems today Stellenbosch they call it right manje. You know,
talking about half time, why then did you give Sundowns a win? Why did at halftime it was 2-0, yeah. And in your prediction you said Sundowns are going to score 3 unanswered goals to win the game 3-2. Why did you believe that would happen?
Yeah, because of I've seen first half the way they were creating chances to Sundowns, and it was like these guys they will score. And you know, second half they created a lot of chances, and you know, when you watch football and if you've been in the game for a long, you'll see that, you know, there's a day where you can create a lot of chances and it's not your day, you're not gonna score. That's how it happens for Sundowns, because they've created chances. Not that, you know, there's a team kuleke Dliwayo, abona la bashayiwe hands down, they didn't do anything. The Sundowns, they've created chances, they've missed. The goalkeepers make saves, and it's one of those games where even if you can say today Sundowns didn't understand Stellenbosch is still gonna win. It's not their day today. They've missed, and Stellenbosch they had a chance, got the bruiser first half, scored. They got another chance, second half. I'm counting how much chances that Stellenbosch they've created. Another second chance.
Adams in the first half.
Yes, goal. Now the bruiser again. Remember said in half time, when you play against Stellenbosch, you can't play a high line, because they've got the Preez have got speed. And the third goal, that line was too high. Even they've went, I think, to that arc. We have Stellenbosch, and they were caught. What the Preez again, the speed. You can't play a high line when you're playing against a team and the speed in Stellenbosch. And yeah, well done to Steve Parker. And I said it to Nkulego we have time go to. There's something that is happening behind the scenes at Stellenbosch, and it's good. It's good. I've been watching Stellenbosch, you know, a couple of games, and I've seen in terms of how they're playing now, and you know how they use their players. And I always say, when you're gonna sit back in Kulego, you know when you get the ball, so break go back. That's what Stellenbosch they're doing against Sundowns. They know with Sundowns, they will come, they will wait for them. As soon as they get a ball, they know who they're going to use in terms of break, in terms of the transition. And they're doing it very well. And, you know, well done to Steve Park and his team. And I can see the work behind the scenes for Stellenbosch, which is very good.
Yeah, baptism of fire for Ricardo Goss, given an opportunity, unfortunately leaking goals. You were critical of this rotation.
Yeah, Nkulego, I was saying why they don't give him a chance like they did for Peters. Peterson, I mean, he's been playing for quite a lot of games, and of course now he just came now, and unfortunately, consider those goals. It's football. It happens. You concede goals. But now, as a coach, obviously, you need to look back and analyze the game and say, yes, we lost the game. Yes, we conceded. But how did we concede the goal? When we lost the ball, we shape it to be Meganjan. Who lost the ball and who was supposed to cover him? And, you know, until that incident of the ball in the net, and that's where you need to fix.
The rotation?
Yeah, the rotation is good. You know, Gulego, I fancy a rotation, but you need to be very careful when you do the rotation. At Sundowns, I remember we did criticize Sundowns where they buy the rotation yabo, and they'll win 1-0. Sometimes they struggle And I was always saying, why do they change? Because the team is doing well. Why do they think they need to change the team? But now today, here's a team, the very same thing. They've changed the team, and I fancy to change the team, but you need to be very careful in Kulego. In the back, in the midfield. You know, when you make those changes, if I'm gonna start new players that they've been out for 2-3 months, they've been not playing, I start them. I need to make sure that players that they'll cover them are players that have been playing season in.
Right, just one word answer. Ashley Preez, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Sundowns.
Ngisabukhuluma Nkuleko. Ngisabukhuluma ngoba ngizokhuluma bese bathi vele.
One word answer.
Can the Chiefs imsayile lo mfana lo?
Right. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, all sports betting. Thank you very much for watching us.